860 fully automatic eyeglass hinge insertion machine. This machine integrates automatic loading and unloading, automatic hinge grabbing, CCD image positioning, height measurement, hole punching, and hinge nailing, all in one continuous process. Ensuring consistent hinge positioning, uniform height, and secure attachment. It features automatic feeding. Does not require the creation of eyelets. It utilizes a CCD image positioning system with automatic center focusing. The machine automatically grabs hinges while simultaneously determining their direction. It also performs height measurement, hole punching, hinge nailing. Processing time is 35 to 40 seconds per pair. Unloading. The operating interface adopts a menu-style design, making machine adjustment simple and fast.